is in this.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel Confused Coder, and today we come with our new project which is in machine learning with Python language, and the project is mail spam detection. How to know the mail is spam or not. In this project, the machine learning part is that how to use the data set or how to evaluate by the data set if the some data is giving the error or not, if the spam is. So dataset is labeled by the mail, like who's sending the mail, columns, information, metadata, how the mail will be, what mails will be spam or not. If not spam, so how the not spam mail message look like and spam message look like. The all the examples and the data will be stored in the data set, and the after that it will be go in the testing and training split. Training and testing is major. It will be going all the data set. After this data processing, it will be. So basically we are going to see here how to uh, how to use the data set, and we are taking data set from the kaggle.com. Kaggle is where we got the data set of SMS or mails data set. So first user, so for user interface, user experience, we taken here a Google authentication. Just like a user come here and authenticate his own account, Gmail account, and after authenticate, it fetch the all the data from Gmail to show here. Because if spam message, it will be automatically show here which is spam or not in the Excel format. Let's start with our login with Google. Click here, so it will go, and after allow this, so here fetching will be start. So here you can see this app use machine learning model trained by Kaggle SMS spam collection dataset. We have taken here SMS spam collection dataset, but we added also a mail and SMS both. The model is trained by, so TF-IDF. TF is a term frequency inverse document. So this will be this model is trained by this data set is trained by this. This will be help in the all the letters or words or documents. It will be relate all these things in the particular way. So the term frequency it will be generate and calculate. So after the fetch all the email using by Gmail API and then classify them using train model. The classification we use here is naive Bayesian. So naive is basically used for text detection. Basically used for text detection. Whatever the text you have to detect, anything related to text or word, it will be used most of the naive Bayes. So naive Bayes logistic regression or okay. And we also here you can see the app display the fetch email along with the date, subject, sender, and spam classification. So you can here see the page number is it will be show around 50 mails first here. You can see here 50 mail it will be show along with day to day, whatever the today and so, and it will be day wise. Okay. After this you can see here subject and from subject to from, and here you can see spam. Just like here it will be spam allocated located here spam. This message will be spam. So this is the project how all the mail will be show which is spam or not spam. So this project will be help you in the in your college mini project or major project. This machine learning project will be help you because there will be classification use and the model and the data set also use. And here we are showing also user data mail message also if you want to see. And you can see here also here we are providing here search bar. Search bar we are showing here. If you search anything else, so name, so it will be search 30-20 result and down and end. This is the feature. And also here download option, you can see download. So okay, so if you want this code, so contact me and I will be provide this code in you. So you can contact me in LinkedIn Instagram, and you can mail me also.